What's up everybody, Kevin Spengler here. Today we're doing another install video of a product we just picked up from A UTV. We're getting some side mirrors put on the Polaris RZR. Figured we'd do an install video on them. This will be my first set of side mirrors. Always just ran a mirror in the inside for a rear view mirror. For racing and stuff, there's no reason to have side mirrors and stuff, but the more trail riding I've been doing and stuff, mirrors are starting to come onto my list of items to get. So let's check it out real quick. Box they came in. I already opened them. Let's get rid of that. I already opened them. I can't wait. I'm like a kid on Christmas every day. But here's the mirror itself. Let me get some reflection going. But anyway, it's nice hard plastic back here. The decorative plastic back here also stuff, give it a little bit of a different look and stuff. Adjustment here off your A pillar, open, close, all the way open forward. And then try not to blind you guys with this. See the camera set up? Hey. But you can adjust this by touching it, pretty easy. Should be a quick, simple install, just going off the A-pillar bolt mounts and stuff. They supplied 8 different bolts. You only need 4. So that's kind of cool to see that. Anyways, 2 different size bolts here. You got your shorter one. This one looks like an OEM length right here, and then this one's about a ½ inch or so longer and stuff. So for anyone running multiple accessories and stuff like windows and stuff, you might need a longer bolt to keep those bolted in. We can't sit here inside the office and install these because obviously I can't fit a RZR in here. So let's make our way out to the shop and stuff, and we'll see you in there. Alright guys, we're out here in the shop now, so we're going to install these mirrors. Real simple forward, 4 bolts, and then you can adjust it from there. But yeah, let's get this install on. First, we're gonna pull out these first 2 bolts. Try and keep these SMF light brackets in place still with these mirrors. They should still work. First, I'm going to test fit the new smaller bolts and see if they'll work before going to the longer ones. The longer ones are fairly long, so open that up all the way. Give me a little bit. Yeah, the shorter bolts with the light brackets on there and the mirror, they're doing just fine. Yep. Let's snug them up all the way. I want to test this out first. Wow. All right, now that we got that in there, just gotta go do the other side real quick. Let's hit it. The fit up's not too bad on there and stuff. Let's we can adjust this mirror here. So I'm gonna sit in it now and get it adjusted. Notice on the initial install here, the passenger side mirror, it's a little loose. But all that we have to do is, if I get this in here, this little 1/2-inch bolt right here is kind of loose. So we just gotta take a wrench to it, top and bottom, and get it tightened up, and that should solve our problem on that. All right, guys, tighten that up, fix our issue and stuff. I tightened it up a little bit more. No play in there whatsoever now. So that took care of us on that. All right, guys, that's the installment of the A UTV Pro side mirrors. Real easy install and stuff. All you have to do is pull out your A-pillar bolts and then put them back in, basically. Nice thing that they gave you 2 sets of bolts, 4 shorter ones and then 4 longer ones. Even with the extra light pod brackets on there from SMF Off-Road, we were able to still use the shorter bolts. Anyways, now we got a whole other set of nuts and bolts here. We can use on something else if needed. So that's nice. One thing I didn't like too much, the passenger side mirror seems like with the inside the adjustability for the groove and stuff where it's supposed to be for factory, you couldn't move the mirror in far enough to use it in the driver's seat. Now, if your passenger would easily be able to use it and stuff, this is my first set of mirrors, so we'll see how it goes. Driver one, I was able to adjust it just right and stuff for my likings and stuff. The outer shell on these and the mirror and everything seems like it's pretty good quality mirror and stuff. Hopefully shouldn't have any breakage on it or anything unless I roll it over or something. I know it's my fault. But yeah, check them out. We got them on, I'll put the link down below. Yeah, give us a thumbs up if you like the review videos. We've been doing several of them. We got a few more to come still. But subscribe if you're not already, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.